Welcome. I am going to get ready. Well, I don't know if I'm going to get ready, but I am going to kind of get ready. I don't know. No, scratch that. I do know. I am going to stream. I play Minecraft. If you would like to follow me or watch my streams, this is my Twitch account right here. That was a lie. Right now I'm gonna do a mask. As you saw in the previous clips, I had breakfast. I had eggs and avocado toast. And then I also gave my dog a bath because he had a poopy butthole. I don't think that's a bad word, is it? Am I gonna be demonetized for that? Let's hope not. And then right now I'm gonna do a mask. Oh god, I got it in my hair. Ignore that. And then also I got some stuff I wanted to try that I got from Ulta. These were trending on TikTok. I wanted to try it out. And I got some new rollers and clips because I originally had like other kinds of rollers, but they were way too big. Oops, that's too much. Too big, like, to make like curls. So yeah, I'm getting ready for my stream. I stream Minecraft at the moment. I might play other games. Don't know yet. I play with my fiance. We play together right now. We just moved to a new location and I just built a farm. And yeah, I will let this dry and then I will take a shower and I will be back. I have decided that since I am waiting for this mask to dry, I'm going to attempt to teach my dog possibly how to roll over. Maybe. Side. Side. Lay down. Side or side. Yes! Yes! Good boy! Yes! Good boy! Good boy! Oh, yeah! You like the belly rubs? Oh, look at that! Oh, yeah, look at that leg. Oh, you're so smart, huh? You're such a smart little puppy. Alright, let's keep trying. I just want you to at least get side. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Oh, good boy. Side. Side. Yes! Good boy. That's close enough. Alright, try again. Lay down. There you go. Side. Yes! You're such a smart little boy. Oh, yeah. Yes. Good boy. Oh, yeah. You like the scratches, huh? All right, buddy. Once again, come on. Lay down. Good boy. Side. Side. Yes! Good boy. All right, I'm back. Lighting is awful. Just be this way. This is my red face after I take a shower. Anyways, I'm going to put on my moisturizer. I will show you what it is. Oh wait, actually first let me, I'm wearing what I'm wearing for my stream under here. Let me close this door. That's better. I also bought this. I was gonna use it as a hair mask, but it's saying to use it after you shower, so I'm gonna try this out, then I'm gonna do my skincare. Let's see. That's what it looks like. I just put it on my mouth. It smells good. Oh god, I'm just dropping everything. I'm gonna take maybe this much. A little bit on my hair. So I like to go upside down. Go from the back. And go to the bottom. I don't know if this will work for my hair, but we will see. Should I put more? Oh, fuck. Damn it, I didn't know I was gonna do that. Well, I guess I'm putting this in my hair too. Maybe I'll do it this way. And then I got some on my neck. Not professional at all. Never said I was, so. Alright. Oh man, I got a hair in it. Ew. There you go. Now I will, well, I still have more hair stuff to put on, but do that after. I'm washing my hands. Take off all the lotion and that hair stuff. Yes, you can see that's my counter. It has makeup all over it. Now, I shall do my skincare. And I'm only going to be wearing makeup for a few hours, so I'm just going to put on this from The Ordinary. You know everybody loves it. The hyaluronic acid. Why can't you read it? Focus. It's backwards anyways. Leon is just laying down over there. My cute little puppy. So I'm just putting this on and putting just the PM because it's just a little moisturizer, because I'm going to be putting on some makeup. Alright. Washing my hands again because I'm going to put more hair product on my hair. Actually, this is a leave-in conditioner because I was going to use this. I love this as well. This is very good. White peony leave-in conditioner. So you can see I'm right here, I think. Yeah, right there. But I also like to use this. This is old. My mom gave it to me. I have no clue how old it is, but I don't even know where she bought it at because I've never seen it at other stores. Just do this. I put my head upside down again, and then I kind of do it towards the top and then towards the bottom. And you probably can't see anything. Whew. I like that one to thicken my hair. And then this, I love this. I got this at either Marshall's or Burlington. No, Marshall's, I think. Or what's the other one? This one's really good for, this one makes my hair dry quick. I don't know what the heck's in it, but it says vegan, cruelty free. It's pretty good. And it's a heat protectant because I will be blow drying my hair. Alright. So, what time is it? It's 4:22. Damn. I also love this. So there was another one that was exactly like this, but the only difference was that this says baby on it. But I don't know why it says baby on it. But I'm pretty sure they're all the same, right? I like how big it is. It's nice and big for your lips. Should I do my makeup? No, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do my hair first. So I will blow dry my hair. This boy's about to be scared. Look at this little. Say hi, Leon. He's a cutie. But he's about to get scared. Watch. Oh yeah. This is not abuse. It's not abuse because I didn't put it close to his face, okay? I just put it far away. But he is scared of cars, loud noises, and vacuums. Especially vacuums. I see the thing, and it's only been 11 minutes in, and look how dry my hair is. Only the top is dry. Only the top is dry. Alright, now, so when I first did my other rollers, which I will show you, see they're like way bigger, so I wanted smaller ones because these are too big. This is cute for like a blowout, but I kind of want more of like a curl, so I'm going to, oh, also, what I was gonna say originally, actually, sorry, I think the blow dryer just woke me up or something. Oh, when I first did the pink ones, I did the bottom first, and that was an awful idea because it's hard to do the top when you have all the bottoms. So I'm gonna part my hair out. I like to part the top off first. And then I do the top first, because that's what I learned from last time, that you gotta do the top first, because the bottoms just mess up the top, in my opinion. Like, you don't gotta follow my opinion, but that's my opinion. You get it? Because that's an opinion. Definition of opinion here. Anyways, I'll do this. And I got so many clips now, which I love. Look at this whole box of clips. Love it. I love these clips. These clips are the best. Got it on Amazon. I want to try doing that Amazon storefront stuff, but I have no clue how to do that. All these TikTok girls do it, and I think that's cool. But I don't know how to do it. Then I'll top this off. I'm just trying to set it to the side first. Nice. Then I'll do this part. So I'm going from top to bottom. Ow. Ow. My fiance gave me these beautiful press-on nails. I think this one's starting to come off because my hair's getting stuck on it. I hate when that happens. Alright, so I got 2. And I got 2 over here. It doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter if you want to be perfect, but I would be perfect, but I can't see the back of my head. So what do you want me to do? Hi, buddy. He's just looking at me. It's like, what the hell are you doing, Mom? I'm trying to do my hair, bro. And I already put a heat protectant. I feel like I did this way too small, but I will go back. Fix that. Alright. And then these came with these kind of clips, but I have no idea if I'm even going to use them. Because they didn't even... Do we think I can use this? I have no idea. I will try it though. I will attempt to try it. So... Three. So I do 3 on the top. So let's get my thing out. I have no pants on because I hate pants. Does anybody else hate pants? Because I do. Well, not specifically pants, but just like anything on my lower body I hate. Also on my upper body. Probably both. Alright. Ow. Why is this stuck? Alright. Top portion. Alright. So, where did my comb go? Okay. Gotta comb it out a little bit first. My hair's a little tingled after that. I really wonder how that leave-in conditioner is going to react to my hair. I think I made this too wide. Oops. I think I did. Damn it. Why are you crying? I made this too wide. Let me half it. Let me do this side first. Okay. This side can go there. Ow. See, it's this nail. Then this side can go over here. Genius. I'm a genius, I tell you. Alright, now. Oh wow, that looks like super even. I don't know how the hell I did that, but I did that. So I like to try to make a line here. Hopefully that was a line. Can't really see. Oh shit, look how straight that is. Hell yeah. Like brush this out first. This is gonna take a while. This will probably take. I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm starting. Whenever I start, I'm gonna try and tell you how long it's gonna take. My arm's already dying. I know that was not enough curl. Well, kind of. Anyways, I'm gonna try and do this. Hopefully this is staying. So I try and keep it on. Goodness. Alright, nice. Where's the clip? Oh, here we go. Make sure you always have your clips on hand, guys. There's one. Now let's do a bajillion more. Gotta make sure I got my clips on hand. I'm about to forget. Alright, I am back. I finished it. And I'm gonna start my makeup. But, my goodness, for the last time, as I was saying, I got Leon from a rescue, but he was like a puppy. They rescued puppies. They're pretty cool. I will link their Instagram. But I don't know if I should, because it's kind of showing where I live. Well, actually, oh yeah, it is showing where I live. I might not. I don't know. Debatable. They're really cool rescue though. They're really nice. They already dewormed him. I got it when he was, I believe, 4 months. Right now he is 6 months. And yeah, he's a smart little boy. I love him. He is so sweet and so chill. It's like crazy. He was like the perfect dog for me. And funny story, when I was looking up for him, I just saw him. Like, I saw his picture. There's a cute little picture. I'll put it up right here. And as soon as I saw him, I was like, oh my god, he's the one. He's the one I want. And ever since then, he's just been my cute little best friend, my little bestie. And yeah, he's my bestie. Oh my gosh. And also, side note, before I even got him, I'm allergic to dogs. Like, I'm allergic to huskies. I'm allergic to, well, basically very furry dogs. Do not look in my closet, excuse you. Yeah, I'm allergic to dogs, so we got super lucky because he's hypoallergenic, and he's a mix of like a bunch of different dogs, so I'm surprised he's like super hypoallergenic. But it's interesting because when we first got him, he was not shedding, but lately he's been shedding, and I'm hoping it's just because it's wintertime that he's shedding. And it's not like a all year round kind of thing. Yeah, and what else? Yeah, I'm like extremely allergic to other dogs. Oh, and also when he licked me in the beginning, I would get rashes all over me. But now that he's like living with me, I don't get that at all anymore. It's really weird. Because I would be allergic to like dog spit too. I'm just doing light makeup because my camera on my stream makes me look like I have flawless skin. So yeah. What else? He's 6 months now. He's been a good boy. He's very smart. He like listens to me really well. And yeah, he was like the perfect dog ever since I saw his photo. I just like knew. And at first, I was gonna name him Trevor because I just saw his picture and I was like, oh, Trevor, that's him. That's Trevor. And then I changed it to something else. And then I changed it again to Leon. I forgot what the other one was. I changed it to Leon because me and my fiance like Resident Evil. We like Resident Evil. So I'm excited for this Halloween because we're gonna put him in a cute little Raccoon City police outfit. He's gonna be so cute. And he looks so cute when he wears little shirts and stuff and hoodies. I just love him. And I've never had a dog ever. So this is like a experience for me. And my mom does not like animals at all because she's like a clean freak. She likes everything to be clean. So my whole life I was just told like, don't get a dog. They're dirty, they're gross. But you know what? Who cares about that? I would take dirty and gross over, I mean, I would not take dirty and gross. Oh wait, yeah, I would take, I don't know how to speak. Basically, I feel blessed with him because he is so well behaved. And even if he is dirty and gross, sometimes, like when I gave him that bath, he had a dirty butthole. He's still my buddy. He's still my bestie. He's a cutie. Sometimes he frustrates me, but you know, that's why I don't have a kid. Because I feel like if I had a kid, I'd be more pissed off with a kid than with a puppy. With a puppy, it's like cute little fluffy animal. Gives you the cute, oh my god, he has the cutest little puppy eyes. The cutest little puppy eyes. No kid can do that shit. No kid can give me a little puppy eyes and I'll feel bad. Hell no. Be like, go to your room. Be like, go to your room. I don't care about you. That's just my mentality right now. I don't know. Having kids, you're like giving up your life, and I'm not about to give up my life for a person that comes out of me. Not yet, at least. Or maybe not ever. I don't know yet. But right now, I like Leon. I like having a dog. He's fun. And he is the sweetest dog ever, and I feel so blessed to have him. I'm serious about that. Like, extremely blessed. Because he is just so chill. It's insane. It's like, oh, and then people, well, not many people, but I feel like people will be like, that's an old dog. because he looks like an old little man. Oh, that's also why I wanted to name him Leon or Trevor, because he looks like an old little man. Old Trevor. It's too cute. Too cute. Oh, I forgot to do this. I don't know if this will help, but I have no clue if that will help. That is my first time ever trying that. And now, this is just my everyday base. And I just realized I put on a full face and I was going to say, I'm just not going to do much. It's just for the video, guys. It's just for the video. But usually on my streams, I just put eye makeup. Because I'm like, my skin looks okay. Uh-oh. Everything's falling out. Here it is. Also, I know Morphe, ignore that, okay? It's all the brushes I have. I'm poor. Also, I don't really care. A brush is a brush. Just because it has a name doesn't mean anything. For example, I have no idea. My mom gave me this brush. I have no idea who this is. It's just a brush. Yes. And then I love these blushes from ColourPop. I saw they came out with new ones for Valentine's Day, and I kind of want it. There's like a cute pink one that I kind of want. Ooh, I'm really scared to try these out. I want to try these out, but I'm like kind of scared. I don't know if they're even gonna work. Should I put eyeliner? I don't know if I even should put eyeliner. So my brows, I cannot do them on camera, I think. No, I'm gonna pause. Alright. I was like looking at my face while I was doing my brows, and I did not blend out my powder enough. Alright, then what should I do for my eyes? Should I just wear this? I'm scared. So I got Glamorous and I got Spiky. I wonder how this is gonna go. I really have no clue. Oh, can't even get out of the damn packaging. Alright. Just broke the damn box. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, this looks kind of complicated. Let me just do my lips real quick. Ooh, or should I do a little eyeshadow? I usually just like doing this. I like taking the brush that I use for my nose, doing this. Whatever's left on it. If there's even anything left on it, which I don't think there is. Alright, I'm scared. I'm gonna try with this mirror. Should I do the ends first? Oh god. This is so weird. Oh gosh. I'm trying to just pick it up. What's it held by? Okay. I'm just exaggerating. Sorry. Oh no, I don't know if I should do this on camera. But I will try, guys. So they're like this. Wait, I just did it. Wait, that was like kind of easy. If you like look down. Oh god, I think I kind of broke this one. No, I kind of broke it. Oh no. Look, I kind of broke it. I don't know if you can see. You can't. I'm gonna try and do this one now. So you gotta look down, I feel like, and then just kind of press up. Oh gosh. Okay, that one did not work. I'm trying to show you guys. Okay. All right. Looking pretty cute. Looking pretty cute. Try and do the end. Trying to do the end. So I try to just open my eyes really wide. And I kind of tuck it in with my feet. Oh. Never mind. These are a little challenging. Oh god. I've seen people sleeping with these on, which I don't know how they do that. It's pretty nuts. If you can do that. So you definitely gotta look down. Okay, I think I did that one right. Oh, no. What do we think? I'm tempted to put one more right here. This looks pretty good though. That looks not bad. I'm kind of scared to do the inner one. I hate when there's lashes right here. It hurts me physically. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Oh, this one's just in my nose. Should I do like this? See, I like kind of break it. This shit. She in my nose. How am I supposed to? Oh, sorry guys. Oh. She almost there. Ugh! That was in my eye. I don't know if I caught that on camera. But that shit hurt. Alright, maybe that's it now. Sorry, I'm trying not to cover the camera. Oh. Maybe the inner corner is not a move. Just the outside like this. I look very natural. I don't know if I should wear this to my stream. Well, I guess natural's okay sometimes. I'm gonna switch to a different pair of tweezers because that is not working. Here we go. Maybe this will help. Using this kind of tweezers.
Oh, see, it like gets on, but then it doesn't. Oh, please just stay like that. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, no. No. Yeah. Okay, so for me, like I said, I don't like putting it on the inner corner of anything. I don't even like when I wear my lashes. These are cute though. When I wear my lashes, I usually cut them. Like, see how it's like not even the whole eye? Because I just put up to here. I'll show you in another video how I do my other lashes. But that's the eye. Looks very natural. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because that took a little bit long. So here they are now. They're very natural looking, and they really remind me of when I got my lash extensions. That's what they exactly look like. And also for some reason it was, so you saw how easy it was for me to do this eye. Well, not exactly easy, but it took like quicker. This one took forever for some reason. I don't know why. But I did not put mascara on the top one. I only did on the bottom one. Because, I don't know, I just want to see how it works. I want to see if it'll be good without mascara, because I love mascara, but I just feel like it makes my lashes fall off. Lips. What should I do for my lips? Don't know. Don't look at my closet. I keep leaving that open. Ooh, don't look at my mess either. My go-to lip is always just pink or a nude. I've been liking this from Revlon. Ooh! I really want to get those lipsticks that everyone's been talking about. But this is not what it is. But this is nice too. These are good. I do like this as well. I don't know. What should I do? These just look very natural. I really wonder how long they're going to last. Or if they're even going to fall off. I forgot to do highlighter! I don't really like using highlighter. But for this video, I'll do a highlighter. You know what I mean? Oh man, he's here. Put some highlighter on. There's none on it. I'm gonna put on my lips and highlighter, and then I will be back to show the hair reveal. I'll be back. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. There's my lips. And now I'm going to take these off because now they are kind of bothering me. And also I'm about to stream. Oh, I don't know if they actually curled or not. I wonder how the top of the hair look. Well, forgot that one was there. Cute. Let's see these ones. Ow. That looks like the exact same result. So I might have did this wrong. That's on me, it's okay. You know? What is my... What happened there? Oh no! What did I do wrong?
no. Oop, I was supposed to be organized then. Putting the clips in the bag. I'm really worried about the bangs now. Why did it clip like that? Is it because I put the clips like that? Ow. Ow. There's another clip back here I did not feel. Oh no. Oh god. Ow. This is just a disaster now. Oh god. I'm sorry guys, this is probably a fail. Ow. Oops. I do like the way the tops look though when I do it. Ow. Because I just think it looks fabulous. There we go. Okay, never mind, this turned out pretty good. Whew. Except maybe, looks like I have like a really nice blowout or something. My bangs are a little nuts, not gonna lie. You just push them out a little. You know what? They did have a little bit of a curl, like towards the bottom. Nor my Swiffer. But yeah, I think I want to get another round of these purple ones so that I can do the bottom ones. Honestly, not bad. My hair looks really good actually. Alright, I love it. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Especially like how the bottoms like curl like that. She cute. I love my little bangs. Just brush it. Trying to get a thumbnail now. I feel like I look cuter in the mirror or something. Maybe straight up. Oh yeah. Anyways, this is the final hair. I love it and recommend these ones, purple ones. I will put it on my Amazon. Hopefully my Amazon storefront and I'll figure that shit out. But, yep, I love it. My hair looks very voluminous and fabulous. Alright, and that's it guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.